This is brutal. This is brutal.
Tonight, New England is struggling to dig out after the epic blizzard that pounded the region, breaking records. One snowbound resident in Berlin, Massachusetts, filming this 24-hour time-lapse of snow piling up on a porch. This house in Scituate, Massachusetts, covered in a thick layer of ice. While New York City was largely spared, parts of suburban Long Island are buried. The town of Orient, New York is reporting 30 inches. In Hartford, Connecticut, a relatively modest 10 inches. And in Boston, just over 24 inches. Boston suffering the sixth biggest snowstorm since 1935, the most ever in January. In the coastal Massachusetts town of Marshfield, we witnessed a violent storm surge pounding the seawall. During a high tide, the seawall was breached in two places. Several houses were quickly flooded, some destroyed. Residents scrambled to get out. This is one of the worst damaged houses here in Marshfield. The man who lives here, we're told, got hurt by flying glass, had to have 70 stitches in his face, but he's okay. It took a front-end loader with crews in the front-end loader to get him out. Here was another problem: lobster traps blowing in from the ocean during the height of the storm surge. When we caught up to that injured resident, Tim Mannix, he spoke of those fearful moments when he tried to escape in his truck, but then had to be rescued from his house.
Well, after I got whacked, I was scared because I was bleeding so much. And once I got a towel on it and got out into my truck, I calmed down then.
Tim, do you want to come back and live here after this?
Well, no. This is probably it. Sell the property and get out. I just have no answers to my future right now. I got a pretty bleak future today, tomorrow, the next day, so yeah, we'll see what happens. I'm trying to laugh it off. Think about tomorrow and not yesterday. Okay?